Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make red wine vinaigrette salad dressing. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need a good quality red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and a bit of Dijon mustard to help with emulsification. Don't forget salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar or maple syrup to balance the flavors. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious dressing. Now let's get mixing. In a bowl or jar, combine your red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and any sweetener. Whisk these together thoroughly. Then, while continuously whisking, slowly drizzle in the olive oil. This gradual addition is key to creating a beautifully emulsified, creamy dressing that won't separate quickly. Once combined, give it a taste and adjust the seasonings to your preference. The beauty of homemade vinaigrette is how easily you can customize it. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding finely minced garlic or shallots. Fresh herbs like oregano, thyme, or even a bit of chopped parsley can elevate the taste significantly. You can also experiment with different types of oil, perhaps a lighter grapeseed oil or a richer avocado oil, to change the dressing's character. Get creative and make it your own. Once your delicious red wine vinaigrette is ready, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will typically stay fresh for about 1 to 2 weeks, though always give it a quick shake before serving, as some separation is natural. This dressing is perfect for green salads, marinades, or even drizzled over roasted vegetables. Remember to check the description for links to some great deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.